Justice Alito? Justice Sotomayor?
Returning to the standing question, the states basically say we're going to lose money in taxation in one way or another. In the Texas case, you argued that we should be looking at the cost benefit, and some of the amici here say that there will be a tremendous benefit to the states from this cancellation because that extra money will result in increased consumer spending and decreased housing insecurity, less defaults on other loans that those borrowers may have, et cetera. Do you agree with those amici that the economic benefits outweigh any alleged financial harm in this case?
As a factual matter, we do not disagree. As a legal matter, we haven't asked the court to rely on that as a basis for standing because we think that the invocation of these harms to tax revenues are so easily answered under this court's precedent. And I would point the court to the Pennsylvania versus New Jersey case. It is on all fours with this one, precisely identical. And so we just think you don't need to go down the road of thinking about some of the broader arguments about tax injury in this case because it's so clear that this court has already rejected the very injury the states are asserting under the Pennsylvania case.
In Pennsylvania, it was a tax credit that was going to be removed, so it's almost identical to this, correct?
Exactly. Pennsylvania had issued its tax credit before the New Jersey law that they were opposed to and had extended it to residents when they pay taxes in other states. And then New Jersey came along and changed its tax code to impose newly a commuter tax that would ultimately deplete Pennsylvania's tax revenues. And the court said that's self-inflicted because nothing required Pennsylvania to extend that tax credit. Nothing prohibits Pennsylvania from withdrawing it now. And that analysis applies equally here because, of course, there is nothing that requires the states to tie their definition of gross income to the federal tax code. Two of the states here, Arkansas and Missouri, don't do that. And there's nothing that prevents them from changing that if they don't want to honor the forgiveness from taxation that the federal government is now under.
Thank you.